Hello folks, in this session let us go through the use case where bring your own identity provider is going to be the scenario. As part of this use case, I'm going to leverage key clock, which is a external OIDC provider, and prior to getting into the demo, the prerequisite, you should have configured key clock into you should have registered to Keyclock, and as part of the flow I will let you know where and how it needs to be registered, and also you should have registered to the self-services demo application. Upon successful login into the application, you should be able to see the security services dashboard, and you can go and select the bring your own identity provider tile for reviewing this use case. So let me get into the application first. Use my security key. Now that I successfully logged into the application, I'm going to select bring your own OIDC provider. The identity provider is going to be the OIDC provider in my case. I'm going to click the user flow here. Once I launch, AuthHub comes back with a username page. As you see at this point, I'm going to enter my Keyclock domain which I registered, and also the application and associated authentication policy, where upon successful authentication by the external provider, it will ask for MOTP, and once I enter the relevant MOTP, it will allow me to access the secured page. Okay, at this point I'm going to click next. Based on the domain, AuthHub, based on the registered domain, AuthHub routes it to corresponding provider, where I'm going to enter my username and password. And this is where if you don't have any credential, you can go and register first and then come back and do the sign in. So since I have already registered, I have the information here. I'm going to sign in. Upon successful user authentication, control comes back to AuthHub. AuthHub goes for the second factor, which is going to be the secure core, which is going to be provided by me now based on the latest MOTP I have, 466251. Once I enter the detail, upon successful validation, I'm able to be routed to the protected page here. That's all folks for this session. See you in my next session. Thanks. Bye.